TSplus supports 4 different types of application publishing, giving administrators full control over what users see in their remote sessions. First, Microsoft Remote Desktop. With this option, users access a complete Windows desktop environment, just like working on a local PC. Second, the TSplus Taskbar. In this mode, any application, folder, shortcut, or document placed in the user's desktop folder will appear in the remote session. Users can only access what the administrator has provided, nothing more. Third, the floating panel and application panel. These allow applications to be displayed in a customizable drop-down list or organized layout, creating a clean and user-friendly interface. Fourth, you can assign specific applications directly to individual users or groups. In this case, users will only see the applications that have been assigned to them. For more information and advanced documentation, please visit our website, tsplus.me.